Industrial heater manufacturing began with careful planning and engineering analysis. Engineers first study where the heater will be used, such as factories, a power plant, or chemical facilities, and define the required temperature range, power rating, and operating conditions. Next, detailed heat load calculation are performed. Voltage, current, wattage, and duty cycle are precisely calculated to ensure the heat can deliver consistent performance without overheating or energy loss. Based on these calculations, suitable heating element materials are selected. Alloy like nichrome or kanthal are commonly used because they offer high electrical resistance, thermal stability, and long service life. High temperature insulation is added around the heating element. Materials such as ceramic fibers or magnesium oxide electrically isolate the element while allowing heat to transfer efficiently to the outer surface. The insulated heating assembly is enclosed inside a metal sheet or housing, typically made from stainless steel or alloy. This protective casing provides mechanical strength and resistance against corrosion and harsh industrial environment. Electrical terminals and power connections are installed using heat resistance component. Proper grounding and insulations are applied to ensure safe operation under high voltage and high current conditions. Temperature sensors such as thermocouples or RTDs are integrated into the heater. These sensors continuously monitor operating temperature and provide feedback to control system to prevent overheating. The complete heater undergoes rigorous testing and quality inspection. Electrical insulation, power consumption, and thermal performance are carefully checked to ensure compliance with industrial safety standards. After final approval, the industrial heater is packed and dispatched for use. From raw material to precision engineering, each heater is designed to provide reliable and efficient heat for critical industrial processes.